Hello everyone, this is Rukshika Rajkumar from Arduino Projects by R, and today I am back with a new and interesting project. This project is playing Tic-Tac-Toe Game with handwritten digits that are recognized by the Neuton TinyML model. The Tic-Tac-Toe Game is also known as noughts and crosses or X's and O's. For this project, you'll be needing an M5Stack Core 2 ESP32 IoT development kit, Neuton TinyML, Arduino IDE, and Python IDLE. I have used the Neuton TinyML to generate a no-code machine learning model that will help my M5Stack to recognize handwritten digits and pass this prediction output via serial communication to my Python IDLE. The Neuton TinyML model is easy to use and quick to train. You have to collect some data to prepare your training and test data sets. Fear not, it's very easy and you can find all the guidelines in my blog. The blog post can be found in the description box below, so please feel free to visit it to learn how to do this project. You can also find the explanation of the codes as well as code snippets for the Arduino sketch file, which I used to embed the TinyML model into my microcontroller. I have used the Python Tic-Tac-Toe library to help me develop this game, and then the Python application will be receiving the prediction output from the M5Stack and use this as the position number. So I'll be showing you how the game will be. So this is the home page or the splash screen. So you have two buttons here which are instructions and play. So if you are not sure about how to play this game, you can click on instructions and it will show you the instruction page. So let me open that. As you can see, the cross is blue in color and the note is red in color. So the player one gets to go first, and as soon as you click on play, the initial mark is cross. So the player one can go ahead and draw his or her position number on the M5Stack touchscreen, and then with the help of Neuton TinyML model that we generated, the position number will be predicted accordingly, and this will be passed to the Python program where it will use this prediction output to place the mark in the 3x3 grid. So now let's play the game. So this is how the game interface will look like, and in this video I'll be showing you how the game's output will be when the player 1 wins the game, when player 2 wins the game, and I'll also show you how the output will look like when the match is tied. So initially this button is disabled because you cannot place a mark unless you draw your digit. So when you want to draw your digit, you can click on this ready button, and once you click on the button, the program will wait for your input, and as soon as you draw your digit, it will be received by the Python application, and as soon as it's received, this button will be disabled and this place button will be enabled. So when it's enabled, you are free to place your mark, and you can click on this button when it's enabled, and this button will be enabled as soon as you click the place button, so that the other user can draw his digit and play the game when the player 1 is done with placing their mark. If you feel like you want to exit the game, you can always click on the exit button, and it will ask you if you are sure about quitting the game, because sometimes this button can be pressed accidentally. So if you are sure about quitting the game, you can click on yes, and the application will close by itself. I hope you like this project, and I'm always open to suggestions, so please feel free to share your opinions about this project in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned to my YouTube channel, and follow my blog to learn more about my projects, and click on the bell icon to stay notified about my upcoming projects and tutorials. Don't forget to comment, like, and share.